I will report the members of the ETC or tinatawag natin na Anti-Terrorism Council. So, according to the National Crisis Management Core Manual of 2012, the members of the ETC are as follows by the Chairperson, Executive Secretary. Bali, ang trabaho naman niya is siya yung leads and presides over council meetings and provides strategic direction. Then ang Vice Chairperson, Secretary of Justice naman, bali ang trabaho naman niya is siya yung support sa Chairperson and oversees legal action related to anti-terrorism efforts. Then meron din silang mga members. Number one is the Secretary of Foreign Affairs. Bali ang trabaho naman niya is sila yung ga-handle sa international collaboration and democratic efforts against terrorism. Then ang Secretary of National Defense naman is ensure defense strategies and military coordination. Then ang Secretary of Interior and Local Government naman, sila yung coordinate with local government units for internal security. Then ang Secretary of Finance naman is addressing funding mechanism and financial intelligence to combat terrorism financing. Then ang Secretary of Transportation and Communication naman is sila yung monitors and secure transportation and communication infrastructures. Then ang National Security of Advisors, sila yung provides intelligence and overall security assessment. Then meron din sila mga support agencies. Number one is the National Bureau of Investigation or tinatawag na NBI. Sila yung ga-handle sa mga criminal to investigate related to terrorism. Then ang number 2 naman is the Bureau of Immigration. So bali ang trabaho naman ni Bureau of Immigration is sila yung monitors entry and exit of individuals, especially those pledged for tourism. Then ang number 3 naman is the Office of Civil Defense. So sila yung coordinate sa mga disaster to prepare and respond during tourism related to emergencies. Then ang number 4 naman is Intelligence Service of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. So sila yung conduct intelligence operation to preempt terrorism activities. Then ang number 5 naman is the Anti-Money Laundering Council. So, Anti-Money Laundering Council and Philippine Center on Transportation Crime. So, sila yung track and disrupt financial flows used for tourism. Then, ang last naman is the PNP or the Philippine National Police. Na sila yung focus on domestic intelligence gathering and law enforcement against terrorism.
Functions of the ETC. So according to Section 54 of the Republic Act of 9372 of the Human Security Act of 2007, ETC have the following functions with due regard for the rights of the people as mandated by the Constitution and pertinent laws. So first is we have formulate and adopt plans, programs, and countermeasure against terrorism and acts of terrorism in the country. So sila yung gumagawa ng mga hakbang or mga plans or mga programs laban sa terorista or gawaing panterorismo. Second is coordinate all national efforts to suppress and eradicate acts of terrorism in the country and mobilize the entire nation against terrorism. So sila yung gina-coordinate nila yung all nations dito ma'am, tapos para sugpuin at wakasan ng mga gawaing terorismo sa bansa, tapos ginahikayat nila ang tao dito sa bansa ma'am para kumilos laban sa mga terorismo.